did test it on a John Deere at the manufacturer. Remote control. There is wireless from the machine attachment. Mulches in there. Then this controls the on and off of the rotation of the crusher device. And then there's a in and out function. Ideally, in operation, the engine speed needs to be a maximum RPM, and that allows for 720 RPM at the fixture, and that is the best speed where it really will shred the tumbleweeds easily. And it also reaches through the fence without damaging the post or any of the clips on the barbed wire fence. So in order to install these, it threads from the outside to the center. Each group is offset from the other, so they don't interfere. Is to allow the housing to tip about the bearing itself. In a season, you might grease that once. It's hydraulically driven. There's a grease zerks here for the worm gear that turns against the big circular gear, and that's what drives it from left to right.